Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best artificial plants you can get for your outdoor spaces, the Amazon Basics Artificial Fake Bamboo Plant. Whether you're looking to spruce up your balcony, terrace, or garden, this one promises to add that perfect touch of greenery without the hassle of maintenance. Let's start with the basics. This bamboo plant stands tall at 39.4 inches, housed in a durable plastic planter pot. Its polyester and plastic construction gives it a realistic look and feel, complete with bendable wire stems for customizing its appearance. What I love about this plant is its versatility. Designed primarily for indoor use, it's also a great option for covered outdoor areas where you want to bring some greenery without worrying about weather damage. The foliage looks surprisingly lifelike, and the maintenance couldn't be easier. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking fresh. When setting it up outdoors, ensure it's placed in a covered area to protect it from direct sunlight and rain. This will extend its lifespan and keep it looking vibrant for longer. Plus, the pot's sturdy base prevents it from toppling over even in breezy conditions. From a distance, you'd be hard-pressed to tell it apart from a real bamboo plant. The deep green color and intricate detailing of the leaves make it a natural fit for any outdoor decor theme, whether you prefer a modern aesthetic or something more traditional. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for an artificial plant that stands out for its lifelike appearance and ease of maintenance, the Amazon Basics Artificial Fake Bamboo Plant is a solid choice. It's affordable, looks fantastic both indoors and in covered outdoor spaces, and adds that touch of greenery that can transform any area into a more inviting space. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy decorating!